good, YouTube? It's your boy Hemi Meach, and I'm back with another video, man. Today I will be giving y'all another POV. I should do a hood off video soon, so y'all can hear the big blow off valve, all that good stuff. I will be giving y'all a hood off video soon. Not sure when, but we gonna get into this video so y'all can hear all of this. So y'all can hear all of this, you feel me? Get y'all a walk around of the 3 real quick. Oh, wait. All right, man. Let's get right into this video, man. All right, y'all. We in the 3. And let's see what type of noises we can make this thing make. I don't know today. We gonna see. Not sure why that button not working. Probably has something to do with my service all-wheel drive. I don't know why that shit's been popping up. It'll pop up and then it'll go off. Maybe it's really time to service this motherfucker. I don't know. Or maybe because I have the... That's probably what it is. I need to disconnect that and run it a different way. I can't keep running it that way. But I'll do that on another video, whatever. Whatever. It's probably drawing too much power now at this point. For the for my SRT light up there, but whatever, we'll handle that on another day. Let's make this thing make some noises without getting in trouble. Oh, there go the pump. Thought that was the police. What is that, the police? I don't know. He gonna have to catch me. Hopefully the wind not too crazy and y'all can hear everything. Damn. Y'all, I promise the bumps don't be that bad. It just sound like it because the car is so low. It just sound like it hurt. But the bumps really don't be that bad. I don't know why they sound so like I'm hitting potholes or something. I don't know why it sounds like that. Trying to stay in these back roads, y'all, because it's most likely for police not to be back here on the back roads. Really, they don't really be back here, so it'd be good to do pulls. Ooh, let's see if we can get on his head. Let's see. Hopefully we. Nah, he finna. What he finna do? That's crazy. He has an octane red Challenger, and I got an octane. Well, dang, he finna go to work. He finna go to work. I was finna get on that with him. I was finna give him that work. if he was trying to play. I definitely was finna get on there. Shit bumpy. Let's see if we can catch him. Slow down. You know, people be unpredictable, gang. Bro, if y'all could just, I don't know if my camera picks this stuff up clearly, but bro, the sounds that I be hearing, I don't think I'll ever get tired of driving this car. See if this Camaro gonna play. That's an SS. Oh, probably not. He probably not gonna play. He got big ass rims on there. He's definitely not gonna play. He's not gonna play, but I'm gonna show him how this motherfucker play. Maybe he do want to play. Wee. All right, y'all. Hopefully y'all like that small video. Hopefully y'all like that small POV. This is what I was talking about. I need to unplug this from my all-wheel drive. You dig? So, well, oh, look at that car. Look at that shot. But I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out. Y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, turn that post bell notification on so y'all don't miss a drop. And I'll catch y'all on the next video, man. Peace.